Go.
Hi, this is Josh at Clay Squared, and we're in France for this week, and we're studying tiles all around Paris. And we're actually outside of Paris right now in the defense area of France, and have some friends here that are going to help me speak French and tell you how to do it. So, introduce yourself.
My name is Emrich.
And what is the name of the artist that made this?
The name of this artist is Guy Rachel Gratelot. And the name of the piece is Les Trois Arbres.
Yes, which means three trees, the three trees. And
I'm Nathan, so I'll be describing the piece in French for you. Donc c'est une mosaïque qui a été créée pour camoufler une cheminée d'aération parce qu'il y a une autoroute qui passe en dessous. Et voilà, ça représente des arbres.
Very good. And I'll describe it in English as a mosaic that is very tall, and it's supposed to be a cover for the underground subway. They call it a highway, which we're not really sure what that really means, but if it's an actual highway or a subway. So we are playing around with that, but the mosaics are just amazing how many square feet or meters one would do, and how they would put this together is pretty amazing. So it's a little bit of fun in France.